This video is not gonna be that long because no pain, no gain, right? In the beginning, the steps, it was really pretty difficult. Like I really couldn't go up and down the stairs. I had to hold on to the rails for months. It was at least a couple months I was doing that. So yes, sometimes you even have to go like this. Hold on till you need to go up. I don't recommend that. I recommend you holding on to the rails instead and then actually pushing your feet to go up. Good morning. Oh man. You know what's hard when you wake up early in the morning is pushing yourself to work out. That has to be one of the hardest things to do, to get motivated to get up and actually exercise. Put on the shoes and even go for a walk. That's probably one of the hardest things you could do. But if we keep reminding ourselves that we have to work out, we have to go for a walk, we have to go for a jog, we have to eat the healthy food, it has to be implemented in our daily lifestyle. But you know what they say, use it or you lose it. Here's one thing that I've been working on the last few months. So a few months ago, around January, my knee started hurting like crazy. Okay, so I work as a bus driver. I sit down all day, 10 hours a day, 4 or 5 days a week, sometimes 6 days a week, 40 hours to 60 hours a week. And your left leg, you're not really using it much. So I felt like it was just bended, you know? It wasn't moving for 10 hours a day, right? I don't use it as much. Plus, I had health issues with gut problems. I wasn't eating healthy, I wasn't exercising for years, right? And then it slowly progressed. I started working out, but inconsistently. Started trying to eat healthier, and I said, this has to stop. You know, I had to find a way to fix this, because I couldn't even walk properly. I couldn't jog, I couldn't run, I couldn't go up and down the stairs properly. So of course, went to the doctor, and what does this doctor do? Give you pills. That's it. They give you pills, rest it, ice it. That's all they're gonna tell you. But the rebel I am, I tried to find a way to fix it, right? And there are a lot of workouts online, but it was too easy and I didn't think it was gonna progress, or it was too hard that I couldn't do it because my knee was hurting. So I started doing this again, the exercise programs I've been doing lately. It's gonna be, I'm trying to show you guys all the workouts I do to strengthen that body, especially for people over 40, seniors, obese people, especially for people with health problems and bad knees. That's what these exercises are for. But in this video today, I want to show you guys what I did to strengthen up those knees. As in literally, just 3 months ago, I couldn't go up and down the stairs. Like I had to hold on to a rail. So even going down the stairs was even hard, because the part on my knee, the upper part was just hurting so much, right? And I couldn't go up and down the stairs or go down the stairs properly. So in the beginning, what I did was take those steps. I did about 10 climbs of stairs, going up, switching legs. I started with 5 on the left and then 5 on the right. So that was about 32 steps, I think. But that's the amount of steps I was taking each and every day. Even going down the stairs, I had to slowly take the steps this way. Look, just watch. So I did that, and then for about a month or two, I was able to go up and down the stairs slowly. And on month 3, I started taking 2 steps like this. You slowly progress, right? You take your time, do single steps first, slowly go up and down with support, holding onto the rails, and then eventually you'll be able to add more double steps, right? You know your body the best, so you gotta work on it. You have to know what you're capable of. But like I said in the beginning, my knee was still hurting and I was forcing myself to go up and down the stairs. The pain should be bearable. That's what I'm trying to say. If it's bearable and it's like you're like going like that, do it slow. Hold on to the rail, right? Most people will tell you, or doctors will tell you, just don't take the stairs, because they'll say, you know, just walk on a flat road and go for a walk. I think that in the beginning, yes, do that, maybe for a few months, right? But I think the stairs really helped me big time. Like, I don't know. See, I didn't get no injury or anything. Well, maybe it was an injury because I was playing basketball and it just started hurting like crazy. I think the body heals itself on its own. So if we push it just enough, it will slowly adapt to that strain on the body. You know, it will adapt to that kind of pain. And if you do it consistent enough, like me, I do this almost 4 or 5 days a week, plus run, plus exercise. Eat healthy, drink water, cut down the sugar, cut down the fast food, all that stuff. It's not just the walking up and down the stairs. So you gotta implement other things, right? Drinking green juice, right? There's a lot of things that go into play. And once you do that, you'll actually feel it healing on its own and feeling it much better. Like I said, I could go up and down the stairs 2 steps now at a time, right? And that's progress. Yeah, just work on it. I'm not saying don't follow your doctor, but I think, okay, this is only for people that never got injured, right? People that sit on the job all the time and their body's just like not cooperating. Even a small injury, I don't even think, I think mine was just a tendonitis, but it was really, really, really painful. Like I can't even play basketball properly no more. Like I can't make those stops, like those kinds of stops. Like I can't even do that playing ball no more. So when I'm playing ball, I'm just jogging back and forth. Hopefully in a few more months, I'll be able to regain that and strengthen that knee. I'm also gonna make a video of the answer to my gout problems. Watch out for that. Don't forget to subscribe if you have gout, if you have health issues, because this channel is just for you. Sharing with you guys the honest things that I do on a daily basis on my fitness lifestyle. So like I said, the pain has to be bearable. It shouldn't be to the point where you're exerting yourself like you're going to go back in injury. Push it a little bit to the point that it is bearable. I'm gonna go for a walk again. I'm gonna finish this now and just keep working on it, right? You know your body well, so do what you think you can and just add a little bit of exertion, add a little bit of extra effort. Slowly, I should be able to run up and down the stairs and then take 2 steps at a time. That's the goal, right? 2 to 3 steps at a time, jogging up and down, jumping off boxes, being able to play basketball normally again, be able to jump. Jumping is really difficult right now. I don't even feel like I'm jumping, seriously. That's how painful my knee is. So as you can see, I work on it, right? That's what you gotta do. You gotta work on it, because if you don't use it, you lose it. Catch you guys later. Peace.